Before you begin, remove the top cover, battery, power button board, system board, and display panel assembly. Removal. Using a suction cup and a non-metallic flat-bladed tool, carefully separate the edges of the display panel from the display enclosure. Carefully slide the display panel until you have access to the display panel hinge screws. Important: make careful note of the routing of the display panel, touchscreen, and wireless antenna cables for later replacement. Remove the three 2.5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the left display panel hinge to the display enclosure. Carefully remove the left display panel hinge from the display enclosure. Remove the three 2.5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the right display panel hinge to the display enclosure. Carefully remove the right display panel hinge from the display enclosure. Lift the display panel and place it face down in front of the display enclosure. Caution: take care not to scratch the display panel screen. Important: make careful note of the routing of the display panel cable on the back of the display panel for later replacement. Remove the display panel cable from the routing channel on the display panel. Peel back the retention tape that secures the display panel cable to the display panel and disconnect the display panel cable from its connector on the display panel. Remove the display panel. Reverse this procedure to install the display panel.